Hi, welcome to SolidCAM. In this video, we will see the contour 5x function of SolidCAM, simultaneous 5-axis machining. Contour 5-axis is generally used when you would like to run the tool along an edge or along a curve and doesn't need any surfaces. There are absolutely no surface definitions needed. The applications here could be deburring, it could also be trimming of a part, for example in a vacuum forming industry or a composite parts. So how it works basically is you define the edges. So you have a drive curve, which is basically the edge. You just pick the edge, and what you also have is the orientation lines. So why a surface is not needed is because you define the orientation lines, and the orientation lines basically will help you to align the tool to the particular line at the particular position. So you really don't need to define any surfaces. So in this case, these are my orientation lines. Now in this case, I have used the surface edge itself as the orientation lines. One could make a 3D sketch or even a 2D sketch as the orientation lines. The tool is could be anything. We could use a ball nose, a bull nose. In this case, what we are doing here is we have used a chamfer or a chamfer drill kind of a tool, which will allow us to make a chamfer on that edge. Okay. In the tool axis control, you can see that it's relative to the cutting direction. Okay, there are not many options in this case. It's relative to the cutting direction or through the point, curve, point away or curve away. And that's it. We have just given the lead in and lead out, and we hit the calculate button. It's a pretty quick calculation since it doesn't involve any kind of surfaces. And if you run the simulation, this is how it's going to look like. So let's reduce the speed. So it just follows the curve, nothing else. Follows the curve, and the orientation lines determine the tool axis direction. So you can see that you can do a very nice toolpath here to do the chamfer of a particular part. Thank you very much for watching this video.